To make a Bank of America credit card payment, follow these steps. First, gather your credit card information, including your account number and payment amount. You can find this information on your credit card statement or online account. Next, choose a payment method. Bank of America offers several options, including online payments, phone payments, mail payments, and in-person payments at a bank branch or ATM. For online payments, visit the Bank of America website and log into your account. Click on the Payments tab and select the credit card account you want to pay. Enter the payment amount and choose a payment date. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. To make a phone payment, call the Bank of America customer service number and follow the prompts to make a payment. You will need to provide your account information and payment amount. For mail payments, send a check or money order to the address listed on your credit card statement. Make sure to include your account number on the check. In-person payments can be made at a Bank of America bank branch or ATM. Bring your credit card and payment to the bank and let the representative know you would like to make a payment. You can also use the ATM to make a payment using your debit card or cash. Regardless of the payment method you choose, make sure to make your payment on time to avoid late fees. It is also a good idea to review your credit card statement regularly to ensure there are no errors or unauthorized charges. If you have any questions or concerns about making a payment, you can contact Bank of America customer service for assistance. In addition to making payments, it is also important to monitor your credit card account and keep track of your balance and available credit. You can do this by logging into your online account or using the Bank of America mobile app. By following these steps and staying on top of your credit card account, you can ensure you are using your credit card responsibly and making timely payments.